To fix the Add Payment Method issue on an iPhone, it's essential to identify the underlying cause. Two common reasons for this problem are an Apple ID set to the wrong region or family sharing being enabled. To resolve these issues, start by changing the regional settings. Open the Settings app. Tap on the name at the top of the screen. Select Media and Purchases, and then click View Account. Next, tap Country or Region and choose the correct region. Proceed to change country or region. Agree to the new terms and conditions. Select a payment method, and enter the required payment information. If this step doesn't resolve the issue, try disabling family sharing. To do this, go to the Settings app, tap on the Apple ID, and navigate to Family Sharing. Select the name from the list and click the Stop Using Family Sharing button. By following these steps, the Add Payment Method issue on the iPhone should be resolved.